What's up, guys? It's time for another sea story from your old pal Rainy Rider. So I retired from the Navy and I got lots of sea stories. I'm gonna start sharing them with you. So it was 1992, the day of my 22nd birthday, and we were in Engineero White, Argentina, and we had left the port. We had gone up on the hill to go to a bar. So any bar overseas is usually ran by the matron, or as we call just about any of them, mama sans. It didn't matter if they were Asian or Mexican or South American. Any lady that is the matron of the bar, we call her the mama san, because she controls everything in there. She tells you when it's time to drink less. She tells you when it's time to leave. She tells you when you're flirting too much with the girls. So we were in there one night, and a friend of mine that I will call home because that was his name had decided to start some shit in the bar. So all of a sudden we're drinking, we're all happy, it's my birthday, we're enjoying my birthday, and all of a sudden he says, "Hey, that waitress just stole my money." I'm like, "What?" And he goes, "Yeah, she stole my money." I said, "No, she didn't steal your money, man." I said, "You probably misplaced it." He goes, "No, I had it up on the table, now it's gone. She stole my money." And then he's like, "Yo, bitch, give me my money." So well, then the matron jumps in. She comes in, starts screaming and yelling. He's yelling at her, she's yelling at him. Next thing you know, she pulls out a shotgun. We're like, "Whoa, whoa, whoa, can't leave our buddy like this. Come on, man, let's go, we gotta go, we gotta go." So she's poking us all in the chest with a shotgun. Hey, it may be loaded, it may not be loaded. This is South America, it's probably loaded. So we're trying to get him out the door. We turn around, get outside, and all of a sudden turn around, the door slams. He's still inside. Now we're freaking out. Now we can hear him screaming and yelling, and it's like, "Come on, man, come outside, man, we're done, man, let's go, let's go." Well, we finally get him outside, get on down the hill, and he's like, "Oh, hey, here's my money. It was in my pocket the whole time." He said, "Let's go get a beer." And I said, "Man, you're gonna spend all your money right now." You just fucked up my birthday. But moral of the story, long and short, we never left a buddy behind, even though it meant we would probably get shot ourselves. This has been your sea story for the day. Strange but true, I swear. And I will see you next time.